Solution 1.
Here is the code for the first solution. This will print the following.
Solution 2. Using pandas.
Use a library to parse the HTML, something like this. Selecting the first table, for example.
Solution 3.
Here's a solution which first reads into pandas data frame and then converts to dictionary as in your desired output. PD read_HTML reads in all tables and returns a list of data frames. The previous code will give us then use group B and a dictionary comprehension. Grouping will give us You may need to edit slightly if splitting on exactly 2 spaces won't always work for your opening times data format. Please help us grow by liking the video, subscribing and sharing. Thanks!